Median sales price, it's never been this high. That's one. And interest rates are at 20, 25-year highs. Really, this is the most expensive time in history to buy a home. Should you buy a home in Hawaii? That's the million-dollar question. Literally. The median sales price of a single-family home in Oahu is almost $1.2 million. So if you are thinking about buying or wondering, should I buy? Well, there's a couple things you got to factor, and they're all personal. Everybody's different. First, how long are you going to be on island? If you have less than 2 years on island, it's a very risky purchase buying a home in Hawaii. But I will tell you this, if you are going to be on an island 3 years or longer, or maybe this is your forever location where you're going to live, like myself, you should definitely buy, all right? Because it's not timing the market, it's time in the market. And that $1.2 million for a single family home, median sales price is not going down, it's only going up. And if you're waiting for rates to go down, well, guess what? When rates go down, those prices go up, and the cost to buy a home for you is going to go up. And then I would say the second factor is, what is your job stability? You always have to have a plan B, but you know what? If you are in a job and you're not really sure how much longer you're going to be in that job, before you take the leap, that $1 million leap to buy a home, you need to get job stability. You need to know how you're going to pay that mortgage, all right, in 2 years, in 3 years. So very risky to buy if you don't have job stability and if you are going to be on island for less than 2 years. All right, my last statement, not to scare you, but right now homes on Oahu are the most unaffordable they have ever been. Median sales price, it's never been this high. That's one. And interest rates are at 20, 25-year highs. Really, this is the most expensive time in history to buy a home. But my final thought is, if you're going to live on island more than 3 years, I thought I'd be here 3 years, and 16 now. If you have less than 2 years on island, well, you know what? You're paying a mortgage. It just might not be your home.